Greetings. Good morning, dear friends. Good evening, good afternoon, or whatever time it is you're watching this. I thought I'd jump on and just to wish you a happy Friday and just to share a few moments of calm and presence with you. I know we've got so much going on in our world. There's so much political angst, so much spiritual upheaval, so much inner change in myself. And I'm quite well resourced, and even I'm finding it challenging at times to stay grounded and centered. So if you're in the same position, this is a quick video, quick guided meditation you can use anytime to help ground your energy, to come back to your heart center, back to your breath. Because once you're grounded in your breath, you're sweet. Yeah. So I invite you, if you've not practiced meditation for a while, or even if you do practice, join in. Use this as an opportunity to recenter and just come back to the present moment. Stop scrolling, pause. So I like to encourage people when we meditate, it's to find that comfortable sweet spot. Sometimes you need to move your body, you need to, go round in circles just to get a sense of what it's like to be present in your body. So I invite you to, you may want to stretch, go side to side, lengthen up through the front of your body, lengthen down through the base of your spine, and just get a sense of coming into your body. And if that sounds quite alien to you, that's okay. Just play along, just explore, say to yourself, if I were to come into my body, what would that feel like? And then just take that first glorious sweet breath. Breathe in from the belly, breathe in, open your mouth, soften your jaw, and just breathe out. And again, breathe in. Expand the heart, expand the lungs, open up the jaw. Doesn't that feel good? Let's do it again one more time. Full breath in. Well done. And just take a moment to tune in, check in, and just notice what that feels like. Do you sense anything different in your body, in your mind, just by taking those 3 breaths? And then placing your hand, one hand on your belly, see if you can start to connect with the breath as it flows in and out through the body. And just see if you can connect with what's happening around the navel area. So got your hand on your belly area. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathe in on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale from the chest, from the heart, on 1, on 4, on 3, on 2, on 1. Breathe in, count softly, find your own rhythm. Breathe in on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 4, on 3, on 2, on 1. And again, full breath in on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 4, on 3, on 2, on 1. 2 more rounds. Breathe in on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 4, on 3, on 2, on 1. Find your breath. Full breath in on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 4, Om 3, Om 2, Om 1. Well done. And let's just be still for a few more moments, just noticing what you notice. Whether that practice brought up any uncomfortable feelings for you. Just notice, it's all good, just notice what you notice. Well done. Well done. Excellent. Well done. So just, during your day, just take time every now and then. Maybe when you get up to make a cup of coffee or you pick the phone up, all the time. Use it as an opportunity. Just literally put your hand on your heart or your belly. Mindfully take that powerful breath in, open the mouth, breathe out. And then just be present with your breath. Count it in for a count of 4. Exhaling for a count of 4. And you'll just feel so much more present, grounded, and just ready to do the next thing on your plate. So thank you for taking time just to pause, to breathe and reconnect. Awesome. So quick call to action. I've got a Facebook group, the Meditation Room for Busy Women, or if you identify as a woman. So please find it on Facebook and join, request to join, and look forward to seeing you there and here. I might do some more lives actually. I quite like doing live guided meditation, so I'll do some more here. All right, till next time, have a glorious day, and remember, pause and breathe. Well done. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.